In the night I hear him talk, coldest story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be so heartless? Just remember that you're talking to me though. You need to watch the way you're talking to me, you know. I mean, after all the things that we've been through, I mean, after all the things we got into, and yo, I know some things